Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save Instagram stories to your gallery easily. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, you have to open your Instagram app. After you have entered your Instagram app, go to profile, then go to settings and activity. After you have entered settings, just scroll down until you find an option archiving and downloading. So once you have entered archiving and downloading, you will see here multiple options. The first one is about save story to archive. In this, your photos and videos will automatically be saved to your phone. So if you want to enable it, just enable it. And the second one is save live to archive. So in this, if you want to save your live to archive, just enable it. So here in the second section, you will see an option save story to gallery. So you have to enable it if you want to save your stories to your gallery. So other option is save original photos. This option will save your post to your galleries. So just enable it if you want to. And that's it. That's how you can enable save story to gallery option on your Instagram easily. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.